Understand? Yes. Okay. Cool. So yeah, do number 5 for me. Anybody finish?
Yes, miss.
Okay, you're gonna tell me your answers.
For H, I got negative 12. For Y, positive 21. And for the radius, I had square root of 12.
Square root of 12.
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody else have these answers? Yes, no. Okay, let me show you something. Who told me these answers, eh? Say your name. Who told me these answers? Okay, let me just continue. So when you see the equation in this form, you just see x squared plus y squared. You're wondering where h gone, where k gone. You don't know what happening. When you see it like this, when you see it like this, Makaya, did you tell me these answers?
Well, miss, I was trying to rejoin just now, but I wasn't getting in, and I just rejoined. So no, I didn't. I don't know what that is.
These answers. Oh
Miss,
my
I didn't.
God. Oh my. Anyways, well, Casper, yes. Right. When you see these, when you see it in this form, that means that the center is 0, 0. What does that look like? My y-axis, my x-axis, a little circle, and my center is at the origin. we know that the coordinates of the origin is 0, 0. Now, let me prove this to you, that it is 0, 0. That's why I wanted to know who told me these answers, to know how they got it. I guess that this is shy. All right. Let me erase this. Oh, no. Oh my gosh. Y squared is equal to 25. All right, let me prove to you that h is equal to 0 and k is also equal to 0. So we know that the standard form is, wait, somebody tell me what's the standard form? Anybody, tell me what's the standard form? Oh man. Okay, I will just write this down. X plus h squared, x plus h squared plus y plus k squared is equal to 25. So, like I said, when you see it in this form, the coordinates of the center is 0, 0, which means it passes through the origin. Now I want to show you how. X plus, well, the center. Okay, let's just put plus 0. X plus 0 squared plus y plus 0 squared is equal to 25. Any number, when 0 is added or subtracted, it's just the same number. So this is still x squared. So let me just put that in brackets, x squared plus, this is still y squared. Hold on, I put my squared outside the bracket. Is equal to 25. And that's why I have this. X squared plus y squared is equal to 25. Everybody understand that?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Oh, all right. But the radius is still the same. This right here, and use green. This right here, push ups. Why did I do that? This is supposed to be r squared. R squared remains r squared. This is still my r squared. This is still my r squared. So if r squared, just like before, if r squared is equal to 25, that means that r has to be equal to 5. R is equal to 5. You good with that?
Yes, miss.
All right, that's for the answer. For the center, but when you see it in this form, the center is always 0, 0, and r is equal to 5. Just remember that for next time. Last question. Do this one for me. Anybody has an answer for me? No, not yet. Okay, let me go through this because it's almost half past. Stop me if we're going too fast. Stop me if you don't understand. Right. We know that the standard form is this. No, not that. Y plus C squared is equal to R squared. However, this does not look like this. Why? Because we have 3 here and we have a 3 here. So it's like, where does 3's come from? And we can't expand the brackets because then we would end up with 3x plus, no, not even 3x plus 12. You have to expand these brackets and then multiply that by 3. So that's what? X squared plus 8x plus 16 and times that by 3. That's not this form. That's not what we're trying to do. So the question here is, how do I get this? It's my laser pointer. How do we get this to look like this? Anybody has any idea what to do? Right, so my question is, how do we get this to look like this? Does anybody have any clue? We need to get rid of these 3's right here. Anybody? Going once, going twice. Okay. Well, let me show you. We have a 3 here, we have a 3 here. We have a 12. If we divide everything here by 3, we can get rid of them. I guess it's in the form like this. Let me show you. 3, let me write it over. So, x plus 4 squared plus 3 y minus 7 squared is equal to 12. If I divide everything here by 3, I'll be able to get rid of those 3's. So I divided everything by 3. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. 3 cancel these 3's. So I end up with this squared plus this 3 would cancel with this 3. I have y minus 7 squared is equal to 3 into 12 is 4. And now I have it in the form, the standard form. I have it in this form, and I could now find my center and my radius. Everybody understands that?
Yes, miss.
One more person answer me, please. One more person. Understand? No? You understand? You understand? Come on, one more person. Okay,
Yes, sir.
thank you. So h would be equal to 4. K would be equal to minus 7. And r squared would be equal to 4. Well, we know that the center is minus h minus k. So that's what we need to find. If h is 4, then minus 8 should be equal to minus 4. If k is minus 7, then minus k would be equal to 7. And if r squared is 4, that means that r is equal to 2. That's why my answer, let me write this in green, is minus 4, 7, minus 4, 7, and 2. Everybody good with that? Yes. Nice.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Okay. Anybody else anything to do after this class? Like you have another class, you have homework to do, you have a lab to finish.
No, miss.
That's one no.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's have another class.
What's this?
A lab. Oh, oh my. I don't know how fast I can finish that. Because I have a quiz for you on what we did last time. I don't think it would take that long. Or maybe it will. You want to do the quiz now? Or wait until next class?
Yeah, miss, there's no problem.
Okay, we have no problem. Anybody else? Wait, no problem to do it now or do it next class?
No problem to do it now.
Okay. Anybody